welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to me as well. I know it has been quite a while now since my last upload, and you know, December is always a busy month for me, for the most part work related. So I expected that I won't be able to upload videos, and when January came, an unfortunate incident happened to me when I was about to make a video. I won't go into details about it, but I had an eye infection. My right eye was infected, and it was so excruciating. I had to stay in the dark all the time. I can't bear to see the light, so it's not possible for me to make a video because of the ring light, right? So I waited. I can now film because I'm already behind. Tag videos, sorry my friends, those who have tagged me, it will take some time before I can do those, because I decided to make this video as my first for this year 2021. I am very excited to do this, guys, and as you can see from the title of this video, which is what I bought for myself for my birthday. So yeah, I can't wait to unbox this, guys. I'm excited to wear them. So I just want to let you know that I bought these pieces in time for my birthday, which would be next week, January 20. So I am an Aquarian. I decided to buy these beautiful pieces in time for my birthday because I want them to be memorable pieces that I will forever remember. They are in these gorgeous packagings with the usual things that they come in. So I'm going to start with the bigger one. Let me just show you what the inside looks like. My SA gave me this cute book with all their collections. Cartier. Beautiful. A blank envelope. Nice. Another care book. So these are the Cartier jewelry services. They also gave me a traveling pouch, so I can take this with me whenever I go travel. There are also two small side pockets. This is very, very useful. And a care kit, which I almost did not receive. I'm going to tell you the story about this cleaning kit in a while. Of course, the certificate of authenticity says here Cartier, and it's in this cardboard And finally, a big box with this gorgeous packaging. I can't wait to open this, guys. So excited. Oh my god. Yay! So it's a big box which has the Cartier. It's a box within a box. Let us open it up. We just have to push this button. Yay! So this is the Clou or Clou or just a nail. So I got this. Let me just show you up close. I got this in rose gold. It's an 18 karat gold, and this is the regular size, guys. So beautiful. This is a plain, no diamonds at all. Let me just, oh, I forgot how to open this. Let me figure it out. All right, there you go. So this is not the new mechanism. You just have to press this part here upward and voila. How gorgeous is this? I got the size 18, guys. I was told that if your size with Cartier Love Bangle is 19, you get a 18 size in this JUC. I'll just call it JUC. It's very hard to pronounce the Clou or Clou. So JUC. You know what, guys? I spent 3 to 4 hours at the Cartier store because I still couldn't decide what to choose despite having a fixed plan even before I entered the store. I really love the JUC in pink gold with diamonds. However, it's not again available. I mean, my size, like I said a while ago, this one is in the size 18 and I am size 19 with the bangle. So you normally have to size down at least one size. So for those who have been following me, you know me, guys, I really love the Love bracelet in the yellow gold. It's actually in my wish list, but I just decided to go for this first in order to match my Clou ring. And the Love bracelet in the yellow gold will be in my next purchase, hopefully, and with diamonds. So let me just show you the cleaning kit. It has this instruction and the solution, a brush, soft brush, and a cleaning cloth. One thing I have learned from my SA was they don't give care kits for pieces without diamonds. So regardless of the cost of the item, and that explains why they didn't give me a cleaning kit when I purchased my ring. Can you believe that? But when I asked her, would you give me one if I buy a ring with diamond now? Just to get the kit. I'm going to buy a ring with diamond. And she said, yes, absolutely. So she went looking for a ring. Unfortunately, I don't have a size again. So I chose the plain one, and she told me finally that since it's your birthday, I'm going to give you a cleaning kit. So that's the story behind this expensive one. Alright, so the second piece is a ring, of course, and they also gave me a blank envelope with card, just like the first item, and another brochure, and then the certificate of authenticity, which says love. There you go. So this is the cutie box. This is hard to open. And this is the second piece. Let's just open it right away. Ta-da! So this is the love ring in the regular size, in the size 58. Look how shiny that is. This is in the yellow gold and in 18 karat. It's plain, like I mentioned earlier, and I can also put it here or here. Can I stack this one with my JUC ring? No, I don't think it's possible because they're both thick. There. Nice. Love it. Beautiful. So that's it for my unboxing. If you have questions and suggestions regarding this video, feel free to leave them in the comment section down below. I hope you have enjoyed watching. Thank you so much. I'll see you on my next one. Bye.